Drones are a thing of the future. They're used in just about every application you can think of. Agriculture's come on board. We'll see the ag space open up with them. I'm Nathan Garn. I'm a Broadacre farmer in Wildcatcham, Western Australia. Run a 5,600 hectare cropping program with a range of cereals and legumes. I'm fourth generation. My great-grandfather cleared the land. We've been here ever since agriculture's been in Western Australia. We're cropping mainly wheat and complement it with barley, and then lupins are our pulse crop that we grow for a break rotation. We've got around 1,400 hectares of lupins that are in crop now. We start to monitor the crop basically from early September right through. We'll go out and sweep with a net, and we'll count the number of grubs that we get in those 10 sweeps and then determine when we spray. We've come a long way fairly quickly with spraying. We've gone from tug-along boom sprays to self-propelled boom sprays, and with always complementing it with an aircraft when we've needed to. There's a lot of challenges with the spraying. If we can get a good rainfall event and we can't get on a paddock for a number of weeks or days, then we lose optimum spraying windows. When it's wet, we can make a mess of the paddock, we crush the crop. Once you start doing 2 or 3% damage with wheel marks, you start working out your cost per hectare, and wheel marks could be costing you between $10 and $20 a hectare. Obviously, when we get insect infestation, the timing is critical. Flexibility to go between a ground rig and an aerial rig is also critical. We've been watching the drone space for probably 18 months, and we were just having a discussion in the shed, and I said, well, bugger this, I'm just going to buy one of these. We kind of found a couple of retailers and come across Agritech, so as soon as I had a contact, we virtually ordered one straight away.
It's very exciting times for farmers to actually have a flying mini boom arm that can do all these things autonomously, and you can totally adjust all the parameters there. It's just amazing what's possible nowadays. Agras T100, it's the very latest and now the largest Agras drones for DJI. It's got a big 100 litre tank, can fly up to 70 k's an hour, so it can cover a much larger area in half the time.
When we first flew the drone, we were very, very impressed with the coverage we were getting. We can adjust the droplet size to fine, medium, coarse, whatever we want, and we can up the water rate. It's all done on the controller.
The maximum spray width on this is 13 metres at an approximate height of 3 or 4 metres above the crop. So it's the drone everyone's been waiting for. The drone does come with its 2 sprayers, and they can spray at 30 litres per minute. You also have the optional extra sprayers, so you pump out 40 litres per minute with the 4 nozzles.
When we initially purchased the T100, our decision making was around insects in lupins. The more we've sat down and discussed the benefits of it, the more we've discovered we can use the drone for. There's a big range of applications for the spreader module, mouse baiting, spreading small seeds.
The spreader kit comes with a 150 litre tank to take up to 100 kilos of granules, and you can put out up to 400 kilos per minute, and you can spread material from like 0.5 mil to 10 mil.
The Mavic 3M has a mapping tool or a prescription map, which opens up a whole new possibilities in targeting resistant weeds and resistant radish, and we're going to be able to go and map those areas and go and spray 2-3 hectare plots that are a problem area. We've gone to the DJI RTK so that we know we're going to be 100% accurate. We've virtually got the whole farm mapped on RTK mapping, so all the boundaries are already in. We've virtually loaded in our obstacles and put in our run lines, and yeah, we're right to go. The drone itself has got a lot of obstacle detection. We're hoping if we miss something, the drone's going to pick it up.
So with this new T100, it's got every obstacle avoidance technology available to us. It's got the LiDAR, we've got the quad vision system, we've got the millimetre wave radar. All those work together to avoid obstacles and make flying much safer. The T100 or the M3M is not going to replace your boom initially, but it's definitely a tool worth having to enhance what you're currently doing.
We're really excited to see where we get with it and how far we can push that area, and the more we use it, the better we're going to get with it.